The main barriers and the challenges in China, I think we have two, the major barriers. The first one is it's difficult to forecast the worst situation to come, because maybe people can only be alerted when their living environment are really being endangered. And the second barrier for restoration in China is I think people's opinion, the ideology about how to do restoration. We prefer to do it in large scale, in quick time, and we hope trees can grow up in the same way to achieve the efficiency. But in Brazil, we saw that the nature play a bigger role is quite important.